Good afternoon. Good morning, my friends. Good morning, my friends. My name. Good morning, my friends. My name is Bhushan Musle. I have developed op, file IO operation in food operation to stored in a text file in task file of Cognifies technology internship program. Firstly, I am sharing my entire screen on you to be visible. My friends, my skin is visible. Okay, my skin is visible. Dear my friends, I have developed or completed level 3 advanced level task 5 in Cognify's internship program. My task 5 of Cognify internship program is enhance the food application to store task data persistently using file IO. Enhance the CRUD application to store task data persistently using file IO. It means I have created one application, and this application data is stored in one text file using file IO persistently. This text file, like a task.txt text file, to store persistently. Firstly, I am created new new Word document to you are understanding them. I am you are understanding them. I have developed this system task 5 copy control C, control V. This application it means that means that I have created two applications um, to store data in file IO system in my computer with the text file. file. For example, task dot text file, file. and and this project, this problem, this problem uh, I have created through application through I have not created. I have performed root operations operations to store these operations in my file IO or file system system file system. file system. File system. File system means I am a file system. The first question is the first question is the first question is what is file IO system? IO system. What is file IO system? File IO system. File IO system means file input slash output system. File input slash output system. It means what is file IO system? File IO system means file input output system. Dear my friend, and this file input that output system perform the task to store the data in my task uh, in my uh, CRUD application application and I I I am I have reload my application to this data is retained is displayed in my file system. Second thing, file IO system. This file input output system perform tasks to store the data in my CRUD application, and I have reload my application to this data is written means displayed in my file system, or or we running program to display is CRUD operations in previously performed previously performed, and I have reload my application to this data is written means displayed in my file system, or rerunning program to display this CRUD operations in previously performed. Like that, I am firstly running my code. Firstly open my internet ID. I am perform I am develop code and running loading. this is loading also. Okay, properly load. In there, I am running. Again loading. 1 minute. Fully load. Okay, loading. Okay, dear my friends. Firstly, I am running my program. Firstly, my program is built. So, I am adding first. Firstly, I am checking my file in view all tasks. No task would display in my file. Firstly, I am adding task one uh, to solve the math problem. Math problem. Math problem. Math problem. Then discipline task added successfully. After that, checking view all tasks. The task zero task to added to solve the math problem. This task is to added. I am stop my program to run that, and after rerunning my program, after rerunning my program, the rerunning my program, the my task is already visible to me because this is stored in my task.txt file in my file IO system. I am checking view all tasks, and this is already stored in my file IO system. This task I am previously performed, and I am view all tasks to D10 or display this zero task to me. Zero task to me. This is an program. This is an problem. To solve that, I have solved that. I am adding. I am, and also I am changing this completed. My task is completed first. I am changing my task is completed or not completed. My task is completed or not completed. I am performing zero in in my zero task. Then it will completed. It means it means completed my task. Again, I view all tasks, then view all tasks to complete my task is completed. It means it means uh, changes in my task, changes in my task to completed. This is the problem that I have solved. And after my work, I have second thing. Second question is how it is works file IO system, file IO system. That's how we, that's how, that's how, this way to working file IO system means my task is completed or not completed. I have changes being made to perform in time to time, and I am reloading the my program. Then mm, then previously perform perform my task is already stored in file input. Input means reading, output. Output means writing, writing or thinking. Stored file input is previously performed always showing file input. After the running my code, then it will also printed or written in my current output. That is the problem. This is the problem. That is the problem. And how it works file IO system and what is file IO system. I have explained that. And third thing, um, explaining overview of overview of my code. My code. I am overview of my code. And after that, testing the persistent testing the output in output in persistently. Okay. Persistently. This code which I am discussed there. First two things discussed, third thing is overview of my code, and after that testing my code. And first is stop my code and overview of my code. This is the import. This is the this is the sorry. This is the packages packages to my code. Import my code, and this is the task class. Task class to created this class task for attributes attributes and member functions functions member functions to access access the task. This is the class one task class, and this task class created two variables like uh, variable declaration. This is the variable declaration for description variable and is completed variable also is completed variable also after that I am using parameterized task control parameter parameterized constructor constructor to access my task to perform to perform and this access is this keyword 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 after that I'm override the string method. I am override the string method to return this task or in this task. This is the task class. After I am creating task manager class. This task manager class I have perform logic. Firstly, I am creating this task dot creating file. This task manager class to perform logic in my problem creating and this task manager class I have creating uh, file example of dot txt file to store data in this file in my file slash IO. After that, I'm using privately this task. This code my operations to use to sequentially sequentially sequentially. After that, I'm creating public task manager function task manager function task manager constructor to store the task in my array list and my in array list and load the task in output task in IO. File IO system. This is the load task. After that, I am creating load task function. After I am creating load task function to load the task in my IO system. In my system. System. Okay. File IO system. Yeah. I am using this load task is try block because try block is to fetch the fetch the fetch the exception in my program and while you using zip to zip this and you can this can block is to catch the exception. Catch the exception. The try block is used to fetch the exception or throws the exception, not fetch. Throws the exception. Throws the exception and catch block is catch the my exception in load task function. After that, this function is load the task, and this function. After that, I am creating save task function. Save task function to store task in file IO system. This save task function we use to save the or to store the task in file IO system. This this save task function also use try block to throw an exception and this catch block is to catch an exception an exception. After that, I am creating a add task function to add task in my file IO system or text task dot text file task dot txt file txt file. This will adding the task. This will completing the task. Completing completing this function is used in a public wide complete task function is used to completing the task. It means my task completed or not to check this function. Check this function. Check this function. Huh? Then if task in the greater than 0 and task in the less than task 5, this will I am using if else condition. To my task is completed successfully. My my task is greater than equals to 0 or not. Task is display or not in my task.txt file. This is complete task function. My task is completed, then task is true or false to checking that my task is completed or not. This complete task function is to checking that my task is complete or not, true or false. This is boolean data type use. And this delete the task function is to delete the my task. My task. Delete my task. De- delete delete my task. 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 After that, I am creating white display task. This function is to display my display all tasks in my output. Output. This function is display type to display all tasks in my output. After that, I am creating main function. This main function performs main. Main. This is the entry point of my main program. Entry point of my of my main program. Entry point of my main program. This is my entry point. This is my main program. This is the this is my main program, and this is the classes, child classes to use that. And task manager is the parent class, but task manager to provide this is child function. This is the main function or parent function to perform my main code. My main code. In my main code, I am firstly I am performing creating two variables like task manager variable, the variable to create new task, and this will scanner scan the variables in my code in my code After that, I'm using while loop, the while loop while loop while loop while loop to the while loop. The after that I am using while loop. The my application is performs well. Then, then two, my application is performed well. Then printed this statement in my while task manager menu. This task manager menu first choice is add task, second choice is complete task, third choice is create providing the menu to the user, display to the menu to the user in my while main function in while loop. After that, I am consume new line less than next line means I this function this variable choice variable is used to variable used to select the choice in my output. After that, I am using switch statement to provide the services. The choices. Choices. My first choice, case number one. My first choice is to add the task. Enter the task description. Add a task. My first choice is to add a task. After that, add task complete. Break this loop and break this case. After that, case two. The I am user performs case one, then adding the task. User perform choice two. Then this is the complete the task. This is used to boolean variable to complete task. Like my task is not completed, then displays false. My task is not completed. My task is not completed to display is not completed to display false and task completed to display true, which means my task is completed. This means is my task is my completed, task is my not completed. This function. This function will perform choice to perform complete the task. And case 3 choice to perform delete the task. Delete my task in in my task manager menu. After choice code in my task manager limit to view the all tasks and this case will view the all tasks. After that, fifth choice of my menu bar is exit the console, exit the program. After that, default case, I am providing invalid choice to print invalid choice to print this function print invalid invalid choice, choice, choice. After that, my dear my friends, I am rerunning my code, rerunning my code. I'm adding my task. Task description is English essay, English essay, essay. task added successfully. This program is task added successfully. Second, uh, view all tasks my view to solve my problem and previously completed this problem. Completed found. This is found. My English session. So I'm using two is to is to use my task is complete or not. This is also boolean variable from performs. Boolean data type is perform. Task number to complete one. Then this task completed successfully. Then you on task. The my task is completed too. This my task is completed. So after that delete my task. Delete my task. My zero task is sequentially deleted. After that, key again and zero task is my completed. Because zero means I am providing the sequentially of my task to completed. Firstly, I am um, zero is to complete the task. One one zero and one six performs in con- mm, mm, consecutively, but the task sequence is sequentially added there. The task sequence is sequentially added in my output. After that, I exit my code. That is the problem. That is the problem of my task for you to complete my application in complete my problem on the application in my cognitive technology internship program. Dear my friends, firstly I am hide my I am stop sharing my screen. Thanks, thanks a lot, at the rate Cognified Technology. Thanks a lot, my dear friends. Thank you very much. As of my task 5 completed the Cognified internship program. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Again, thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Cognified Technologies. I am ending my screen.